Hey, it's me Nico from Just Pick Up English, and today I'm going to teach you a few phrasal verbs with get, including their meanings and examples based on TV series. But before I'm going to start, if you have not watched previous videos related to phrasal verbs, then please check out the playlist called Phrasal Verbs for Fluent English. Now let's stick to the lesson. Get along. Definition: to have a friendly relationship with someone. Example: I get along with my coworkers, therefore I enjoy going to work every day. Let's see other good examples.
Why can't you and my sister spend your nights here?
We tried. She doesn't get along with Sheldon.
Sheldon doesn't get along with Sheldon.
What is wrong with you? I can't do this, okay? I was raised as a boy. I don't get along with women.
The two of them are getting along now?
Of course we're getting along. I am very easy to get along with.
He was, however, getting along with his sister.
You get along with your brother?
Did you get along with your father?
I got along with Adam.
You get along with everybody, so I'm just gonna follow your lead.
I just think it's really sick that you cut my mom loose because you can't get along with me.
You know, her real dad walked out 10 years ago.
How did she get along with her stepfather?
We get each other. And we get along.
Get rid of. Definition: to remove something that you didn't want any longer. Example: he decided to get rid of his old textbooks from college. Let's see other good examples.
Well, if you don't like it, get rid of it.
I thought you said you got rid of everything your ex-boyfriends gave you.
Well, yeah, but not my dogs.
You said everything.
Well, what do you want me to do? To get rid of my dogs?
Yes, I want you to get rid of your dogs.
She's not getting rid of the dogs.
Okay, here, I'll get rid of the notebook.
That's good. Exercise gets rid of stress.
Ramona finally dozed off, and I need you to help me get rid of her.
Get rid of her how? How about this? You get rid of the chair, and I'll talk to Teddy about using deodorant.
I've decided to get rid of it.
Stewie, if Mom and Dad see you with that thing, they'll kill me. Get rid of it.
You've been wearing those things for 3 days. You can wear them to bed, but tomorrow we're getting rid of them.
Can't get rid of this car.
Get up. Definition: to stand up or get out of bed. Example: I always get up at 7 a.m. in mornings. Let's see other good examples.
Hey, button nose. Time to get up. Gotta get ready for work.
Lois, stay down. Don't get up. You've got nothing to prove.
You get up, you die.
You don't think I get up when you get up?
You go to bed early, which makes sense because you get up early and, now I got it.
Get up. I mean it, get up. Get up.
I get up early on Saturdays to close the drapes so we can sleep in.
Okay, Joey, it's getting late. It's time to get you up to bed.
Children, time to get up now. Get up.
Hey, Howard. Thanks for getting up so early.
Linus, time to get up. You don't want to be late for school.
Well, don't get up. Don't get up.
I'll fix your plate.
Maybe we could get up early. We could watch the sunrise.
Get over. Definition: to recover from an illness or a difficult experience. Example: it took her a long time to get over the loss of her pet. Let's see other good examples.
She dumped you 15 years ago. Get over it.
Sheldon, you don't get over the flu in half an hour.
Well, not with that attitude.
Well, she spent the last 6 months getting over him, and now she's celebrating that by going on a date with him.
Get over it.
I don't want to get over it, okay?
This is exactly what you've always wanted. Get over your pride.
I'm not getting over anything.
Look, I know that your mother hurt you, but you need to get over it.
Why are there men's shoes by the door?
Those are my shoes.
Oh, well, when you get over this breakup, we need to go shopping.
No, I suppose I want to get over it. To get over myself.
I have the perfect night plan to help you get over that jerk.
Oh, guys, it's cool. I'm so over him.
Stop taking everything so personally and get over it.
Maybe it's time to get over that. Get over Dad.
Get through. Definition. To succeed in an exam, competition, or talking to someone on the phone. Example. I studied hard to get through the final exams. What good grades. Let's see other good examples.
Yeah, Mom, I'm telling you, this is the only way to get through to her.
I'm trying to get through to Teddy, but he's not picking up.
Ugh, I can't get through to them.
I'm not having any luck either.
You're a good guy. You will get through this. You get through it.
You're gonna get through this.
Get through what?
You get through yet?
Sort of. There are about 50 people on the line.
I have to try to get through to them.
We'll get through this.
What if I go talk to Vonda? Maybe I could get through to her. Woman to woman.
Ew.
The lesson is over. But if you like the content, please don't hesitate to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because your support matters a lot. Let's improve your English together. Stay tuned.